Good morning. It is the last day that I'm spending with my parents in Chicago. We just had breakfast and now we are going to the 360 tour. Actually, I don't know what it's called. It's 360 something. We are going to the 90th floor of a building, I believe, so that we can see a 360-degree view of Chicago. I think it'll be a great way to finish off my parents' vacation. After my parents leave to go to the airport, I am going to another hotel to meet with my husband who is flying in today. The reason why I'm staying in two different hotels is because I booked my hotels on points, meaning I spent enough money on my credit card where I was able to accumulate points so that I could stay at these hotels for free. So the next hotel I'm very excited about. It's Nobu. You might have heard of Nobu restaurant. They also have hotels. So I'm looking forward to staying there. It's gonna be a very nice experience and it'll be in a different part of Chicago, an area I have yet to explore. The tickets are $44 to $55 per adult. Kind of expensive, so we'll see if it's worth it. We have to scan our ticket. Oh, thank you. Waiting for my parents to scan. Here we go. 360 Chicago. We are in the elevator. I think we are heading up to the 94th floor, which is the observatory. We are going up really high. I can tell because my ears are popping. We are on the 94th floor. I think my parents want to buy some souvenirs. I'm not really sure what the tilt portion of this excursion is, so I need to ask some of the attendants here. But take a look at this view. How beautiful is Chicago? Here is another vantage point. Do you remember when we were looking for the Navy Pier? There was that Ferris wheel. I wish I was on a jet ski right now. That looks like a lot of fun. The water here is pristine, which means that it's very clean and beautiful. Of all things that my parents could be doing right now, they are still looking for souvenir. They're on a mission. We are now going to see the south view, which is Chinatown, the Loop, Hyde Park, Bridgeport. We are now standing in line to enter the Tilt excursion. I don't think I can bring my camera in there, so I will show you from out here what they're experiencing. We are at the Museum of Contemporary Art. I'm being kind of quiet so that I'm not being annoying. Let me show you some art. My dad is really into this art. He used to be a painter. The mediums used were oil, acrylic, no clue what that word is, gouache maybe, ink, colored pencil, and graphite on paper. We have entered the gift shop of the museum. We have an assortment of books. I think these are Japanese. We have some card games and board games. Some tarot cards. Some skateboards on the wall. Stuffed animals. Fun lamps. I love this little mushroom lamp. Do you know this artist? Jean-Michel Basquiat. It's a very colorful store. Makes me want to buy something. This art that I'm filming is dedicated to my husband to try and encourage him to get back into art. This is actually his style. Apparently it's my dad's style too. Linen fiber with hand-ground earth pigments. My attempt to read Spanish. Fibra de lino con pigmentos de tierra molidos a mano. How was it? I just checked into the next hotel. My parents are in a cab or taxi on the way to the Chicago International Airport. And coming the opposite way is my husband, who will be here in about 15 minutes. His flight landed about an hour ago from LA, and I'm looking forward to seeing him. Take a look at this room that we're staying in. It's a bit of an upgrade compared to the other one I was staying in with my parents. The hotel is called Nobu. They are known probably more for their Japanese restaurants. And what I like about this room is the clean, contemporary aesthetic. It's a minimalist aesthetic. I like the concrete with the wood and the beige tones, the nude colors. And this is a lovely view of the city. I think we are staying in West Loop or near Fulton Market. So I am looking forward to exploring that. Follow me to the bathroom. I love these doors. These glass doors. The nice wooden stool in the shower. Hi. And love a large, expansive countertop in hotels. That is rare to find. We have some fun snacks. Probably none of which that I will be consuming, but they're delicious. Wine, water, mugs, coffee cup, and a coffee station. I love the detail of this teal blue chair. From here, it looks like a black chair, but from here, you can see the pop of color. It's all about the details. My husband just texted me that he is arriving in 2 minutes. So I'm going to go downstairs, meet him outside, and take him to the room and probably head straight down to the restaurant because he told me he's starving, which is an exaggeration. It's our way of saying I'm really hungry. I'm with my husband. He made it. We just grabbed some tea. It's a ritual that we have. We drink a lot of tea. He's drinking matcha. And now we're walking around Fulton Market. We just got finished eating some tacos, and we are at the famous Fulton Market. I think there are a lot of boutique shops here. Compared to the other side of the street, there were more, how can you say it, more chains. So come along and we can take a look at these cute boutique shops. My friend recommended for us to come to Beatrix, maybe Beatrix. It's a restaurant and market, but we already ate, so we'll have to come back maybe tomorrow. We're back at the hotel. That was pretty nice, right? We are now going to head to our room so that I can do some edits for my next YouTube video. And then we are going to meet my best friend and her husband who flew in from Baltimore, and we will be eating some Italian food. Before we head back to the room, we just discovered the gym. Look how nice it is. Good evening. We are at, I think it's called Ciccio Mio. If anyone speaks Italian, please correct me if I'm wrong. We are here to meet my best friend who flew in from Baltimore and her husband. They are here to run the marathon, and that is the sole purpose of our trip to Chicago. So I'm really excited to finally see them. And how cute is the ambiance in here? It makes me feel like I'm at a speakeasy. Do you know what that is? Let me know in the comments. We just finished dinner with my friends. It was a great time. It was really nice to catch up with them since I haven't seen them in a while. We are now walking back to our hotel. As you can see, there is a moderate breeze, but the weather feels really nice. It feels refreshing. What do you call that train?
L.
The L?